I'm Chef Sky from Infuzed Cookin. Welcome to my Colorado kitchen. Today we're going to talk about Martie unboxing and product review. Martie diverts perfectly good surplus pantry staples from going to waste and delivers them directly to customers. In this video, you'll find out why Martie keeps the barriers low. Martie has a wide assortment of products that are used in my Colorado kitchen. Thank you, and let's get infused. Simply put, Martie is an online grocery store for rescued pantry staples where you can get your favorite foods for a fraction of the price. Martie comes online with over 400 SKUs and $3 million in funding from upfront ventures. Martie keeps barriers low, so there's no constraints. Martie even has a call-in number in Spanish and English for people who are not comfortable placing an online order. There is no subscription or membership for Martie. Consumers can go on their website, pick the items they want, and check out. 13 million Americans who are food insecure and have to make the decision every day on what to eat, and are often swayed by food that is not healthy because it's cheap. Martie is a brand with a selection of goods in the shop that are always pretty good. I did have to search the entire store to buy enough items to meet the cost required for a box to be shipped. Deals are good, and with many new brands I'd never tried before. Better than buying the same old brand for full price. Every day there's a new item listed for a penny. Now that's a deal. Thank you for watching Infused Cookin, and happy infusing.